And prior to my last video, I've come inside and checked the wiring diagram. Don't ask how I've got this information. Pretty much unless you're a Benelli technician or Benelli authorised technician, the actual manual for the bike, the actual proper work manual for the bike is very well hidden. And in that manual contains this. And as I said, unless you're a Benelli authorised technician, they don't want you seeing these kind of things. I wonder why, you may say. I wonder why indeed, but we'll get more onto that later. Either way, for now, I've pulled it up and I was chasing the wires from the light control switch and trying to find out what the difference is, the red, white, why them two red, white power wires were different. And what I found, that one on the pass switch, that red, white wire power, is just a direct power line. But they all link up to this thing here. Anyone that knows these bikes, it's Italian, but the Chinese built it unfortunately, and they left their mark in certain areas. They didn't translate this, because it comes all down to this, and whatever this is part of my next mystery. So how the hell do I find out what that means? Easy. I just go and click that. To English, please. And there we go, like controller, or dadeng konzi qui. So, we'll be going outside soon, find that on the bike, and have a little play with that. But for now, don't they just make it so easy to understand? The coloured diagrams are much better. This one's unfortunately black and white, colour coded. It's an eyesore. But for now, yeah, till the next one, AB Bikes out.